What's up, guys? So I'm the Nub Man. I'm going to go over a really quick video on basically, we've had a few questions in Discord, how the referral program works. Super simple. This mainly is for everybody that is in our Discord. If you're not in our Discord, feel free to join. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. I'm going to try to pin it. YouTube's being weird. That's because we're a new YouTube channel. So if it's not pinned, just, I imagine, look through there and you'll find my comment. But it's pretty self-explanatory. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over to here. As you can see, we are in the general for the JellfFish coin, just like this. You're going to go up to here. You'll click invite people. Now, when you come here, you want to make sure that your invite link will never expire. So click edit it. And now I want to say, I think it's going to be 7 days, I think is standard for everybody. Just change it to never. And then, of course, you don't want any limits. And then once you do that, click generate new link, and there you go. You just take it, copy it, drop it to your friends, post it wherever you want. And then it's really cool. Discord allows us to see each separate person with their separate invite link and how many times it was used. And when I say used, I mean how many times people joined through it. So every month, what we're going to do is at the end of the month, we're going to go through, we're going to calculate them up, and then we will contact these people. We will get their wallet addresses, and then we'll be sending them their jelly. It's going to be 100 jelly FC tokens per invite. So it doesn't sound like a lot, but in the grand scheme of things, it is completely free. All you have to do is invite people, and say you do, I don't know, 10 people a month. That's a free 1,000 per month. And hopefully, if the price keeps scaling the way it is, that could be a couple dollars, eventually one day. So it's free money. I figured it would be a good way to kind of incorporate everybody in the community, get the Discord drummed up, get more people in, get more people talking. But I think that's everything. I feel like, yeah, just pretty super simple, explain it like straight to the point. If you guys have any questions beyond this, please feel free to reach out to anybody in the Discord, whether it's moderators or anybody part of the core team. We will be more than happy to take care of you. But anyways, keep it short and sweet. I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching.